See how nimble it is? I don't even press the pedal too much, and the torque is insane. And sounds like a jet, you know, if you know what I mean. It's so stable. So this is the truck. That's why this is like plastic or something like that. But if you get a Cyber Beast, it's Alcantara, just like the pillar.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto South Tawanda Barnes Road.
The only thing I don't like is the signal. It's like counterintuitive. But I guess there's a learning curve. I can get used to it. Let's take a look the steering by wire. You see the wires. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys after finding some spot to park. So wow, the takeoff is so good. It's just so powerful. And just like that, you're exceeding speed limit, but who cares? I ignore the warning signal, so I can't engage in FSD. Well, it's definitely a little bit wind noise, but I can tolerate that because the overall comfort and stability just make the product so good. Like I can't even resist.
Now turn left onto East Oakland Avenue.
I like the regen. Once you get used to it, you just leave the pedal and it will brake itself, and it just press a little bit. You can just move the car smoothly and without too much pedal. So it will save a lot of brakes. So owning the car is kind of like
In 500
low
feet,
maintenance.
turn left onto Olympia Drive. Now turn left onto Olympia Drive.
Yeah, just a little bit, and your car just turned so much. And so easy to drive. Oh, that's so good. So good. I still got 15 minutes.
In 500 feet,
So
turn left. Then you will arrive at your
I think I'm
destination.
gonna just order one today.
Now turn left. Now you have arrived at your destination.
And I'm gonna just tap it. Now I'm gonna show you guys how the steering wheel work. So you see on this graph, when you turn the steering wheel, it will show. So now I'm turning this and get out of the car. I like how substantial this car door is. Wow. It's so cool. So if I turn this way, oh, I think once you get this out,